Hello, friend. Are you hungry? Let's have something healthy this time. You're starting to look a little grim. We need to get some vegetables into you. Let's do a stir fry. While you were sleeping, I already cut up all the veggies and I did the sauce. The sauce is already done. It's right here. I made sure so you didn't have to wait that all the vegetables were already cooked. See right here? All the lovely vegetables. Gonna add some spinach at the end. We've got all the vegetables you need already cut up. We've got broccoli, carrots, red pepper, green pepper, spinach. So many good ones for you. It'll be so good for you to have something like this in your stomach, don't you think? And then here, let me show you. We've got the wok all heating up. We've got the sauce in there. It may not look like much, but it's gonna be so good. Soy sauce, chicken broth, garlic, some oil, some other seasonings. It's a good little sauce. One I made myself. The oil in there. I'll pour that in there in just a minute. What do you think? Think it's gonna be good? I think it's gonna be good. I think you're gonna love it. Now let's do the oil. What do you say? Let's put the oil in here. Okay, I already got it mixed out for us. Yeah, look at that go. Something that you love, I bet. Some nice oil, crank it up a little bit. Well, nice and hot. Nice and hot. I love cooking with stainless steel, but whenever it comes to stuff like this, a non-stick is good. All right, it's gonna be warm in just a second. All right, it's probably hot enough. What do you say? Let's throw it in. All the lovely vegetables in there. Oof, yeah, there we go. Get every last one of them in there. You see? That sizzling. That means it's cooking. We can't use metal when it comes to the nonstick, so we gotta make sure we don't scratch it. Don't you ever scratch my nonstick. Not ever again! Because that is like really bad for you if you do that. I really don't think that that's really good for you. They say it causes cancer, you know, and that you don't want to die from that. I got quicker ways for us to do that. So let's stir them, shall we? A little stir, stir. There we go. Turn this up. Yeah, you only really need to cook them for like a couple minutes. Okay. Get them nice and warm. You want to keep them a little stir fried. Nothing too crazy. Well, the oil I used was olive oil. You could use avocado oil, but I'll cut you if you ever put olive oil instead of avocado oil ever again. Yeah, you heard me. Stir again. Almost time for our sauce. I think it's time for the sauce. Another close look at it. Ooh. A little, I like to make it nice and thick. Don't you like it nice and thick? Let's put the sauce in. It's crackling, huh? Here we go, soften. Ooh, yeah, here we go. It's so nice. Philly meat. Throw spinach in there. Don't overcook the spinach. Spinach goes in too. Superfood, you gotta use it. Here we go. Stir it a little bit. You need to cook for too long. You're just covering it. Flat, like making sure the sauce gets all thick. And then you don't have to cook it. You don't have to reduce it. You don't gotta cook it. It's basically ready to go. Now, what do you think? Does that look pretty good? Looking pretty good, I'd say. Just favorite sizzle. My favorite part. It's gonna be so good. Get you some on a plate here. You want to try first? Yeah, open up, no, yes, there you go, there you go, oh yeah, yeah, there you go. I always like the peppers, they're always, oh yeah, always so good. Wow, starting to kick back in, isn't it? I'm glad you got at least one bite. I'll see you soon.